Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up VPN on TECNO Phantom V. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in turbo VPN and click search. Now you have to click on more results and select this application. Now click install. And click open. Then click agree and continue. Now you can close this ad and then click allow and click consent. Now you can click on this button to start your VPN and click OK. And now you can close this ad again, and as you can see I'm connected to VPN in Canada. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.